Hi guys, Dalty here. Wait, did anyone get the thing?
What?
Don't say it. Be right back. Be right back. Somebody forgot to get it. Okay, this is gonna be in a weird angle, because I don't want you guys seeing. But today we're gonna be doing cat treats, and I'm joined here with my sister.
My cupcake and the official Ella.
And Foxy. Okay, and this is cat treats. I just got them today for my cat. These are, I just fed him the last of his other ones not too long ago. He likes the other ones, but I couldn't get them again. Sadly, there was a big bag and I couldn't get it. But anyway, scooch over. Okay. Of course, Foxy is wearing my bow, but that's okay. And I'm sorry this is in a weird angle. I'm still charging my phone. This is made on the exact same day of Try Not to Laugh or Smile challenge, what we just did. Not with my sister.
Yeah. Just with these two.
Yes, with my LPS, not my sister's. Okay, now let's get this thing open. The thing about this, I'm trying to record while opening them with one hand. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Oh, she can do it with both hands. Thank you. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, I need to go get some bowls. Be right back. Okay, going into my kitchen.
I don't know why I was.
Okay, I'm back with all three of my bowls. I just made my kitchen a mess, but that's okay. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's put about, I guess, 3 in each. 1, 2, 3. And don't worry, these are going into my bag afterwards. 1, 2, 3. These do not smell really good. Okay, now let's just take a big whiff of it. Oh, you have to smell them too.
I know.
Now we have to eat them. I'd rather eat dog food. They don't actually taste too bad. Water. I need water. How do they not taste bad to you? I'm used to fish. Oh yeah, you are a wild animal. Let me go get water. Do you want some water?
Yeah.
Here's your water. Oops.
Oh no, my water.
I don't care. Guys, never try this at home. Ever. Look it, they don't even look that good. They're meant for cats, but I like fish. Okay, after a while, they taste terrible. Okay, time to put these back in the bag. Because that's a waste of food if I... Ooh. Okay, I was about to say... Okay. My cat will still eat them. Thank you, sis. Okay. Give me your water. Thank you. I'm just gonna set them in. I don't care.
Oh, they don't smell good.
Okay, guys, you want to see them? They are an entire new pack. Let me show you Oreo's old pack. Oop, I just dropped it.
And you got it from the garbage.
Yes. These are old. I got them when we first got Oreo back. Did I tell you guys what happened? Why are they so close? And don't be making her talk. She's trying to take over my job, guys. There we go.
This had a house.
I just smelled these. They smell the exact same, but they're the exact same brand. They have stuff in the inside. That's why my cat likes them. I have actually squished one before, and if you ever squish one, it has the slimy stuff in it. It's gross. Yeah. Now I need some dog bones. Yum.
Much better. Hey, what's mine?
Oh, wait. This one's mine. That one's yours. But what about me? Go eat butt.
Okay, done.
Take care of you. Here, I'm just kidding. Have some biscuits. Thanks. Delicious. My kitchen is literally a mess now. Look at this. Used to be clean. I just messed it up. I don't really care about it anyway. Okay, guys. This video is not over yet. Sorry, my other sister came in.
Just so you guys know, I wake up by that.
I'm her favorite sister. Shh, shh, shh.
Don't let my other sister know, because then she'll be mad.
Okay, guys, this video is about to end by itself. The other video, I did not mean to, do that. My phone decided to turn it off. But I gotta let you guys, please subscribe, and bye. Say bye.
Bye.